Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 12 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 12 secant of t square. Number 12, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now, I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have number 12 secant of t square. So number 12 and number 12 we can do about factorization. So we know that secant of t square minus number 1 we change by tan t square. The square root of this one, we have the square root of number 12 tan t. Next, we simplify this one on numerator and denominator. So we have dt over the square root of number 12. And now we have the final answer. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 12. And we can find the value of t. Now, we need to change the value of t into this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.